People don't know why I love my husband so much. People don't even know. People don't even know the reason why I love my husband, Prophet Injuasiama, so much. Edu babino nanka me ya komechi. Because efie jime.
Me we can me be worry near cover me old videos by you. But nyame adom be ma no videos no ho atra. Wo hu video bi okra na me kura me refi no. Me kunu kwaku onim sa nyema no mpo. Insuranka na me say I got a man who is not interested in social media. On pet. Only need to age bia on. Oh yeah, then you need someone.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Mama kwa baba Xposed baby a obi a medin chia kese afi nyankopon na ema o. The name as usual is Ben Bros. Agradaa na say they me pen preaching. Me I to say my fan of Agradaa because in some your kan nyansa wo emu do. De bia me say wo your ba na se wan ware. Na sebe ukunu wanya positive impact on you a jai sa be man no onim nyansa. Because u ware you see the purpose of marriage. Nene said, the head of the family, who is the husband, should have a positive impact on the wife. When to me and your way, I know a failure. Was it what person what chiramunia or worry a siama? Sabe and ya to pabu kwa, never more shy a siama jinanity rain and shine. You got your grada, Banyaba, your boy again.
People don't know why I love my husband so much. People don't even know. People don't even know the reason why I love my husband, Prophet Injuasiama, so much. Edu babino nanka me ya komechi. Because efie jime, abontinye jime. Asofo Ghana asofo ebimo jime. Shadi ade yeme obi ahubi. Sami picture na de hankofu gu me nsa no eda me phone so edu ba bi na me bom paya me yi picture no na me ni awurade akasa eda me phone so bezele me nton twene it is still on my phone. Sa picture na ya publish me na hankofu gu me nsa it is still on my phone. Me delete ye eda me phone so de bia me so agu nya me so for sa bone ne edidi me no de bia na me yi sa picture no eno na me de your point of contact eni nya me kasa. Any nyamekasa, share you will not take the person serious. Obafani si onyobia. Oh, Agradaa onyobia. I am the eye of God. So you should be very careful on me. When it comes to the manipulation in my life, you should be very careful. Because you have no idea. I say I understand your pain. The attack was too much.
I so what it be. Sometimes obi nim nietia obi for obi yase nipa no fa no ono nim nietia fa no ni Agradaa ka no me ne side ewiase se obi apo na sebe o spouse ana wo kani anyame de ne ma so oyi mu a ya mahu bi da ya because those times na Agradaa sebe nkwasa sam na no nya na frustration o number 1 na onya good sex de bia me se wonam na wu obabia nanima etum wuchia no onfiu onsrea ni kunu on fire ni yie na so ohia sex wo fie oba onya sex a obase nanima esre no kanya sasam se wanya good sex a esem obeka nyina a frustration statement no ye adwin bi anim. Number 2, every woman needs supportive husband and I said supportive boyfriend. Oshe Agradaa those time no opre mi kunu first na me we ni el comfort madania ba we ade na wo ma sorry no ma no friend no ma ba ni nyina mu na esiama di ma me yechi me kai time ma yechi Agradaa ni kunu wakwahwe no once no yesi esiama tena police station what say won kofie enu nyina na owo eye for Agradaa enti mo amu ka se sikenti no worry no boa Esiama do Agradaa nkasa because na say ya me share video bi na Esiama ex-girlfriend the way oppress Esiama say Esiama Agradaa nya de wanya bema papa wase wo ye bema ogina wachi a ohihim wo ya bema adwuma bowo empam obuwa obebo dog wa bo 69 wa bo 72 wa bo wheelbarrow ni nyina wo ya de 360 wo ya de pa na wo hwe ne fine boy ne so ana ne hu se wanya bema eti okwa ni nyina onyamesuro o supportive empam so amane pano o ya de me pa to me kase kona ko try wa wo hwe me kase kona ko try Agradaa akunu when the ex asabo kan ti wo kase sebe asiama be ware sika nye sika ti ya wie Tracey boache ose na mo hwe me amusa mani ma sresre ma ware obema pa yenkoti ni mra
hwe me ma brabo ne fatu ohufo. Look at Tracey Boache in the past and look at Tracey Boache now. Look at Mrs. Ntiamwa now and look at Tracey Boache in the past. Na me kwa ma brabo kwa should tell you say ebe yama. Me kwa ma brabo if not for anybody no show properties any cars chain me. But me try picture na me car this man because I want to take it out because masum adjo me. Masum adjo me. The peace God has given me now, I don't want to lose it. I don't want to trade it for anything. Media any money so from A to Z. Me week I may be worrying you find me old videos by you. But nyame adom be man videos no ho atra. Wo video bi okra na me kura me refi no. Me kunu kwaku onim sa ne manumpo. In Sri Lanka nyame say I got a man who is not interested in social media on pet. Uti BBC kwa na nyame na me de be che na. O si sa ebi okwa esi atwam na afi na bi ono no hu no obusam say na za de we de be 4 or 5 years ago I say and me de minimum and it's true. Nyankopon ye creative da bia me kasa asem. Only through age bia on. Then you need someone. When you get to a certain point in life me say then.
I me producer says o manya sika no mo cheche mema. I also go pebi. Obi o sika no so nche no sa na ye no. Tracey ye nyina nim the story of Tracey. A very, very, very bold woman. Maybe I mean a bold woman. But now in some maybe they be no and talk. Now me say sad time no nipa no not to me bug me ye. Because we share the current husband, we share the match to partner, we share papaya, we share the flap na. We say move what? We say where the bet me boduma ni ye. Tracey say was sakra and net Tracey wo tufo. Was shame now so sakra. Now what ni be? A man na mon yes slay queen no. Me ka say makwa chemo. Slave queen e fa kwesi ba bia. It comes to a time I will say you need a husband. Tracey say oba no matter how high you go, you need a husband. Aye, onwe baby no so nware be do baby na obo abro no hu say onya husband. Na nyame so bon person nyame yi ni papa na we de nyame yi ni papa man because only bibi. The guy has been supportive. Now when I me can say me confront him say Tracey, me so share me catch and say, do what we call a full disclosure. It means that opacity, no matter how dirty it is, tell the man. I me say me can me because I say in some no, obi grab a country and then you say, oh wait, me that say see this year, no about you. It's a concept for an over assembly and you will be and no any the foundation of a good marriage. Say, yeah, full disclosure, not trust neighbor. It doesn't matter what somebody will come and tell you. You know your wife inside out. Every maker say and ka sabe a member 200 na do waka. I want to know because minima it makes me have what informed choices. It means that at the end of me cover and me say na 10 ma cover. Now when disclose it, me who wants me a virgin. Meanwhile a member 40 na abo. Nature me ko who 40 na. Ese me jaw. Stars open na catch me. Na me kosu na me mbo because one chem na man kosu ammo wa me di wa bro eno na Tracey here no na Tracey has been an example, a good example for our women. I say celebrating means what? Bringing up good positive vibes to the youth who are looking up to you. I have Xposed GHFM members also subscribe me the tumpa na sa ka banwasi.
Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.